Nadia Murad. Nadia Murad was born on 1993 in Sinjar district, Iraq. When she was 19 years old, the Islamic State attacked her village and killed 600 Yazidi men, including several of her family members. Murad is the founder of Nadia's Initiative organization working for helping women and children. In August 2018, Murad became engaged. She was asked to speak before the UN Security Council on human trafficking, an appearance that prompted a number of requests for interviews. In 2016, the UN appointed her as Goodwill Ambassador for the Dignity of Survivors of Human Trafficking. She wrote a memoir on her capture and escape, The Last Girl, My Story of Captivity and My Fight Against the Islamic State. She won several awards including the Nobel Peace Prize of 2018. Abhi Ahmed Ali. Abhi Ahmed was born in the town of Bashasha on August 15, 1976. He is married and father of 4 children, 3 daughters and a recently adopted baby boy. With a keen interest in technology, Abhi joined the Ethiopian army as a wireless operator in his teen years. In 2011, he obtained a master's degree from London's Greenwich University. At the age of 43, Abiy Ahmed became the youngest Prime Minister of Africa. Abiy Ahmed has also engaged in other peace and reconciliation processes in and around the Horn of Africa. In 2019, Ethiopia was still racked by major internal conflicts. At the time, Abiy Ahmed received the Nobel Peace Prize. Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai is a female education activist who stood up to the Taliban. She was born on July 12, 1997 in Pakistan. Her father encouraged her to think and express herself freely. She started speaking about education right in 2008. She began writing an anonymous blog for the BBC Urdu website. Her identity was later revealed. She was shot by a Taliban gunman on 9 October 2012. She survived the shooting. Eventually, she recovered. She got support from all corners of the world. Malala gave a speech at UN on her birthday. I Am Malala is an autobiography. In July 2014, she advocated for the rights of girls. She was bestowed with Sitara-e-Sujat. She was awarded the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize along with Kailash Satyarthi. In 2017, she was awarded an honorary Canadian citizenship. In 2020, she completed her degree. Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian social reformer who campaigned against child labor in India. Was born on 11 January 1954 at Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. He is the founder of multiple social activist organizations including Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Kailash and his team at Bachpan Bachao Andolan have liberated more than 81,000 children. In 1998, Satyarthi conceived and led the global march against child labor. He has served on the board and committee of several international organizations. In 2014, Kailash Satyarthi was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize jointly with Malala Yousafzai. Barack Obama. Barack Obama was the 44th President of the United States and the first African American to serve in the office. Obama was born in Honolulu, Hawaii on 4th August 1961. Obama entered Occidental in Los Angeles in 1979. After 2 years, he transferred to Columbia University. After graduating from Columbia University, Obama worked in the business sector for 2 years. In 1990, Obama was elected as the first African American editor of the Harvard Law Review. Obama met Michelle Robinson, who was assigned to be his advisor at the Chicago law firm of Sidley Austin. Obama and Michelle were married on 3rd October 1992. They moved to Kenwood on Chicago's South Side. Barack and Michelle Obama has 2 daughters. The Nobel Peace Prize of 2009 was awarded to Barack Obama.